Alright, so this is the parking garage, as you can see. Hummer's there. Yep. We have our exclusive parking. It's kind of fancy. Alright. Show us how to get in here. That's one way of doing it, yeah. So, show us where we go. We don't show anybody the secret access code, because nobody needs to know the secret access code.
Access granted.
Okay. Takes a second sometimes. Show us what this first room is. What is this room? We're inside the apartment now. What is this room, Trini?
Laundry.
Yeah, laundry room. How exciting. How exciting. You get your washer, your dryer, your standard apartment water heater. Fancy, huh? Okay. Okay, what's in here? And there's another door, she says.
Kind of a closet with your
Kind of a closet, yeah. Trash bags, because I don't normally have a bunch of trash in here. Alright, kiddo, show us the bathroom. Oh, look, there's the other kid, Rylan. Yay, okay. What is this, Journey? Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, this is where I come to cry, and then that's where I pray to God. Sometimes he answers.
Pray to God, okay. Okay, so this is the kids' bathroom. This is where the kids stay. In this little room. Check out this view. Let's check out this view. What we got going on over here? We got a nice view of the neighbor's balcony and downtown, which you can't see because it's really foggy outside. Okay, Ron's gonna fix her hair.
Having a crisis right
She's having her crisis. All right.
now. Anybody is not happy.
All right, Journey. What is this? This is your you guys' fancy closet.
Yeah.
When you stay at the fancy condo.
Yeah.
Just got minimal clothes because we're only here for a couple days. Good stuff. All right. All right. Well, now we need to do a kitchen tour. Rylan should do the kitchen tour.
Okay.
All right, Rylan, show us what's in the kitchen.
All right.
Basically, it's the
Rylan's gonna show us what the kitchen's all about here. What we got going on? It's got everything.
It's got pot.
It's got your pots and pans, just in case we.
I mean glassware.
Glassware. You got some Pyrex if you need that.
Everything that'll break.
What about these fancy light fixtures up here?
Oh yeah, they swing. Which
oh,
probably
yeah.
shouldn't do that.
That's good for earthquakes.
Yeah, very.
Very good for earthquakes.
Very good.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a big fridge.
Big fridge. Got your big stainless steel fridge.
Got some nice stuff in there.
Put a couple bodies in there.
Oh, not the good temperature storing bodies.
Okay. Not a good temperature for storing bodies. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What's your favorite part of the kitchen?
These little plants, they have a lot of personality.
Okay.
I think they talk to me.
You know what my favorite part of the kitchen is? This product right here.
The meth soap.
The meth soap. So fancy you just have to buy it when you see it at the dollar store. Meth dish soap. Amazing. That's the kitchen. I guess this would technically be the dining room where I actually do my work when I'm here. As you can see, on my cameras and whatnot are in the way. And then outside we have the same wonderful view of the neighbor's balcony. Okay, next to that's the living area, which is, you know, kind of not too fancy. Outside this window we have a view of 7th Street and some of the hospital buildings. Then we go over here, go to the main bedroom, and there is a, as you can see here, a pretty large closet. I really like these things. I don't know what you'd call these, but they're fancy. Just, you can see my underwear there, so I hope nobody's laughing. And then this is my bedroom. Journey's too short to see out the window, but this is my bedroom. See the neighbors over there? Yay!
Neighbors, close your windows.
Yeah, close your windows. And then this is my bathroom, which is being taken over by children and myself at the same time. It smells really nice. I really like this really deep tub. That's really nice. In these toilets are concave, just perfectly for your butt. So they sit perfectly, and there's one of the kids' blow dryers and a towel, which I didn't bring enough towels because I didn't think ahead. But anyways, there you have it. That is the Fort Worth condo apartment that I have here that I use when I'm working in the area, and now you got to see it. We'll see you next time.